come because I see and see all African women where they claim to be single mothers. All of them, they not get character. And the easiest woman where they give Kpekus, they knack for this the full word na single mothers because very easy.
Hey, way, my people. Nothing where Musa no go see oh, nothing where we no go hear for inside TikTok. As I see this video, I say make I bring am come. Single mother, oh yeah, I know say the responsible one dem dey. Okay, no be all single mother not responsible. When I see this video, I was shocked. I say make I carry am come, make una come still lis ten to wetin this our brother dey talk, because that TikTok I no know wetin dey there. Where they go dey there, e get wetin dem take, the way they take dey open their mouth o. He say single mother, he say they no dey use their Kpekus, say they like na kind. Una understand? So if you just like say how are you, they'll just dey open leg. I know say no be all single mother because the one wey be say no enegbe dem still dey for inside. Some dey wey be say dem not just like because single mother na something na im cause am. Maybe the man no need that engage, e no go fit go by himself. You understand? Make I put this video for una as I see am. I say this kind thing still dey happen. See wetin man dey talk come out for mouth. Anyway, he say he no dey responsible, okay? Because me I like person wey dey talk truth, because he say like as he be, he no dey responsible. So if you wan still go, he go still go for that side wey be say single mother wey no dey responsible, because those one wey be say dem dey responsible, we still dey know them. Una bye bye for now. Nothing wey we no go hear for inside that TikTok. Una help me love and like and share this video. Wetin you think? Wetin this our brother talk? Leave your opinion, leave your comments, help me to love and like and share. Una bye bye for now. Single mother wey dey responsible, oh yeah, na God go bless una o. Una bye bye.
Thank you very much for the patient, brother Kpekus. Go ahead.
I greet the house, so good afternoon. So we dey talk about wetin individual wants, kind of setting standard. Like me, finally, I don't. Today na my birthday. Do say I no dey celebrate am. I don't set my standard to be say na single mothers. Na me I wan come dey follow, because for our custom and tradition, we not get anything wey they call single mothers. And I can't look am. If you can't dey follow single mothers, they not dey follow, they argue, because I can't reason and say the reason why I can't set my standard like that, because that one not be my previous standard when I dey grow they come, because I see and see all African women where they claim to be single mothers. All of them, they not get character. And the easiest woman where they give Kpekus, they knack for this the full word na single mothers, because very easy. Okay, your mono those children where they thief from their husband house, from my family. Before you use all those children, table wash them small. So they not they use life till the punish person, because me marry ni dark monologue, because maybe they anywhere. If you can't they want the tell woman say, as in like just like first lady talk just now, say make we always they say the truth. For our tradition, we not get anything we be single mother. If woman talk say you no need marriage again, have your mokbabu home, you leave the children for their papa family, only you go back to your father's house. Now, most single mothers, most percentage of them, they go thief children come up for their papa family, that they carry come meet we they outside. The reason why they talk are because we will be men we they outside. Man are not they irresponsible now. Man, have married women, ya give example, ma or if you see married woman, they point your husband like this, they say there are many men better than you outside. Man are not being responsible on that side. They all make a big statement in it. Or devil, because in a hard gift for never do. As it's loose. Danke. So all those single mothers, if they decide marriage, they like argument. I go single mother argue, because the more you they follow and argue, in ya more vunye no one, in ya very good, because most percentage of our single mother, they not get plan. They not get future. They not get for their children. Why they talk all this thing? Because I'm an irresponsible person. And I set my standard to live with irresponsible people because I don't want to stress myself for life. Now, if you dey follow single mother, all those arguments, ni go dafin argue, igo ni ma submit wo do, maya ya live na. Wa so wen ya luwon menwe, otik, wa ton na ede. Imani ya gbe, ya mo mi ki mo ya bai. Ya se gba be ma oni sive ya, ya wa de ni ya yo wa. Gbenso make aturi ya ti tazine no do muima. O devil because manok bi anebi mo nyime na. No mai se no here. Or donna, like because if you can't go the follow single mother, they argue. See, even this time, safe. If you like get 20 children as a single mother, it may awa happy way because you are my taste, you are my favorite because you are cooking money ne. Ina wa be cooking yana nware ne mose aro ye ba we nije. I cannot win a really big go because that picking you go born for another family. And you the mama come from another family. Not forget, see, picking where you born for my family and family where you for come as a single mother. This is two different family. Wa be like gisan we kiro na agbe ye una be ye gbe la mogun. Wa dovie la mogun mo adio wa me la not we la bokun. We na mo adio we me ive koko vi weni. Iwa koko wa right. I'll train her to my standard. A standard in me I train ese. Or money or wa be wan reveriana venu gwe wa moseria wa ya joy or wa musi. Now, the reason why they talk all this thing be say because single mother, veni merevana single mother or wa keep me company, in wa feed me. My account not the empty because they not they use life to distress person. I know why? Because I be irresponsible person like them. I know they follow them argue. Because now when you go, they follow woman argue. They'll come, you know, say, and I like those single mothers, those proud ones for inside, we they educated because those ones now we they educated. Those ones go school, they know how to fight for their rights. So make we argue right here beside the Indian. He may watch be anything no water. Oh, that your baby father. Why go do you that kind of thing? Anything in water. If you complain of a baby, oh, that man, why go do like that? I gave milk be an video. That thing not good now. Baby, if to say I could meet you, all those things for not happen to you. In your bonali single mother. Okay, you be happy, Kiri. Wa call le who cat we money before we get to be in. Or we turn our fathering figure. Now, I know all these kids, no, I see a catch or we can or be quite squat or abu or day. So for me, I just set my standard. From any birthday make back single mother you are on street. If you not be single mother, me yahoo. Because all those people will get character.
Yeah, oh.
Single mother. Even we were one year,
That's more like the life. More than like the life. Let's take 6,000.
Magic water, no verse. I rien, they don't go make it, don't be ref. P. He go na my low. Why pay me buy, ne? So, what I mean be say, my own standard, woman will not get character. You go make sure say you sabi argue with man. Woman go argue. You know sabi fight for your right. You may mean Yahweh. You be woman will sabi fight for your right. You will be that kind of woman where go cook. Or where yatobo we soup babo or go carry for fridge. May you want man. If you not get all those keys, you may mean Yahweh as a single mother. You go.